Howdy, and thank you for joining SafeTech. We wanted to show our appreciation for our members joining us on our mission, and what better way to do that than a big box of awesome stuff. This is a SafeTech swag box. The swag box comes with a variety of SafeTech merchandise. These campfire coffee mugs will provide a great aesthetic to your morning routine. SafeTech koozies to comfortably hold your favorite cold beverage. Our caps come in a variety of colors to match with your outfit of the day. A bottle opener to open your favorite drinks. As well as these very comfortable SafeTech t-shirts that come in both child and adult sizes. As always, thank you for helping us make SafeTech.